Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add number row to your keyboard for the Honor 50 Lite. So if we go to any app that allows our keyboard to pop up, like messages in this example, we don't have number row right here. We need to go to number section in order to write numbers. So in order to add the number bar, we'll need to go to our settings, scroll all the way down, system and updates, languages and input, and from here choose your default keyboard. In mine it's Gboard, and just press on it. Now go to preferences and enable the number row right here. Now if we go back to the app with a keyboard, we can see numbers right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.